Dr. Raju Vaddepally is passionate about cancer research.
I think the research is the compelling force to kind of bring in a very positive changes, not only incremental changes, but also exponentially improve the patient's the quality of life and survival.
The Lee Health Cancer Institute has been doing research for years. Dr. Vaddepally wants to help take things to the next level.
That level is not only by the volume, enrolling the patients to the trials, but also bringing in some of the trials that actually really are cutting edge, and we believe that's going to change the cancer game in some of these tumors.
Historically, less than 2% of cancer patients are enrolled in clinical trials. That's an opportunity for growth.
And I really want to have every patient get equal opportunity, which we call equity in the sense, in terms of getting equal care and equal access to care. And the access to care comes with not only research, but also advocacy and grassroots commitment to serve our patients.
As we become more research-focused, we network with similar, like-minded thought leaders in the field.
If I'm specializing in lung cancer, I connect with all the peers who are specialized in lung cancer. We kind of speak the same language. We bring in trials that are going to meet our needs within the community.
Helping drive the future of cancer care. You could learn more by searching for clinical trials on leehealth.org. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.